Okay, so as a lot of you know, the most recent update 2018.16 actually broke the functionality of the heated steering wheel. So I just got a notification on my phone that there is a new update. So I think we need to see if it fixes it. We're just gonna do install now. 1, 2, 3. There we go. Hopefully it fixes the heated steering wheel. It wasn't that big of a deal because it has been nice and warm out lately. But hopefully it does fix it, because that would be nice to have in case it gets cold. But yeah, I guess we'll see in a minute.
The next day.
Okay, so I actually ended up getting the update. I can show you my car that way, but I can't show you what's on this side of the lens. But there's my car. I ended up getting the update, and there's some chatter online that the maps are slightly different and the way the streets are laid out is different. So we're actually in David's car, which is on
Seriously. We are on 2018.14.2.
.2.
And so basically, if you look here when I turn it...
So this is Denver, for those of you that don't know.
Basically, north is up. Okay, now watch me turn it. I'm going to turn it about 90 degrees this way. And then, what do you see? See how it redraws and changes all the words and stuff like that? But now let's try it with satellite.
Look at all the red in Denver. That's Denver traffic for you.
So let's just focus on like Denver Zoo, City Park West. I'm not going to zoom, but I'll just rotate. Oh, I guess I zoomed. I didn't try to, but yeah, okay, there you can see it. It's drawing, and you see how it's it's kind of it's taking a while to redraw.
Can't decide on some of it.
Yeah, it's like, well, let's sit there. I wonder if it gets in a loop or something. It's like, no. Okay, so we'll turn that back off, and let's go try it on your car and see if it's the same.
Okay, yeah, that's the only thing that we've noticed that some people have commented on that has potentially changed. So, kind of an interesting thing. Okay, so here this is, and we'll go ahead and rotate this and see if it draws everything out.
Wow, looks like it's going just the same as before, so I don't see any difference on this one.
Yeah, I don't see any difference on this one either. Let's just try it here. Oh. Yeah, not at all. So, clearly nothing here. And as you can see, we are in my car, which is on 2018.18 right there. So the one thing we are hoping is fixed on this update is the steering wheel, and hopefully that works now, because the last update 2018.16 actually broke the functionality of the heated steering wheel. So we have the FLIR here, so we're gonna go ahead and turn on all the heated seats. Okay, so as you can see, real-time FLIR, it's just right there. The back all seems to be working great. We'll just switch to the front. So front seat is working, driver's seat is working in moment of truth. Steering wheel is now working. So that definitely at least fixed that.
So also in other update news, the Model 3, I believe, finally got auto high beams.
Yeah, so they finally got that, and, along with a couple other things. So another long-awaited thing that's great that Tesla can push these out. No other car company can actually do this. So it is great to see that now you Model 3 owners that have a Model S and X no longer have to worry about turning on your high beams or anything. It will act just like it.
Also, this is kind of related to Model 3 too. It's not an update, but I saw the Model 3 had like broke a speed record for like the quarter mile. So it's just like,
yeah,
it performs faster than what the specs.
It was a lot faster. So that was JR Garage that did that. So congrats, guys. Congrats.
They also had some changes to the design studio for the Model S and Model X today, and they have the addition of a new interior trim, which is oak.
Yes, oak. It's a lot lighter. It looks almost lighter than the Model 3. Not a huge fan of it. Let me know down in the comment section below if you like the oak. I'm just a carbon fiber fan myself, and it goes really well with the white, the cream, the black. It kind of goes with everything. But let us know down below if you prefer the oak over the other options, because they still have quite a few.
Also on that, it looks like on the P models, I don't know why, but it looks like the cream seats went away, which is odd because they're still available on the non-performance models.
Yep.
And also I believe they got rid of the ability to get textile seats for the performance models.
Which kind of can be a couple things. What if they're going to bring back a cooled seat? What if there's a new seat option?
Could be.
Could be. You never know. Or somebody just messed up the code on the website.
Could be, yeah.
Another option.
Heard also there's a change, I don't know where, but I think it might be changing the dash or something like that to have the dash. There's a new code for the dashboard, and it has like graphite or something.
Oh.
So it'd be interesting to see if they're going to have that as another option besides oak,
Or
if that's just to replace, you know.
Yeah, because like so the dashboard now actually is leather and Alcantara, and they got rid of the Alcantara and made the full thing leather.
Oh,
Maybe the
yeah.
graphite is going to be almost like an Alcantara now back on the dash. So another thing that we'll look for. So keep
watch
your
for
eyes
that.
out for that. Okay, so I got a big box. And it's actually for David.
I like big books. I mean, boxes.
What was that?
It's like I like big boxes, and I said something.
Feel free to just rip it open.
I guess I didn't cut that one all the way.
Because the camera battery is dying.
Ooh, check it out.
Dun, dun,
There's my car.
dun.
What is a little cleaner?
Just don't. Ah! Oh my god, you scared me. I thought you were gonna cut the.
There's cardboard on the back.
Your card just shut down.
Oh, it's like Christmas.
It's like what?
Christmas.
Oh. Every day is Christmas. Give Eric your wish list.
Oh, there we go.
Okay. Thumbnail. Okay. So how long has that been sitting by the front door?
It's been there a few weeks.
Yeah, it got it a few weeks ago. I just got busy.
Yeah,
Well, look at how nice that car
check it-
looks.
Well, look at that picture too. So that was taken
Yeah.
when you were driving at like 30, 40 miles an hour. You can see
Yeah.
the movement. There's the National Wind Technology Center there over close to Boulder. There's
Mhm.
flat irons and stuff up in Boulder. Pretty nice.
Yeah.
Wait a second. Did you get rid of my license plate?
Oh my god, they did it! They got rid of his license plate. They did a good job.
Who?
The company that did all the photos. Wow, but look, you can't even tell. That's some
Well,
good
it's just, like, copy and
photoshopping.
paste, but it's like I remember the original picture.
Yeah,
Pretty sure it has a license plate.
it did. That's funny. I didn't even notice that.
Because you took the rear plate off at one time, but yeah, you had the front one on the whole time.
Yeah, front one was on the whole time.
Wow.
He's never been without a front plate, so that was all Photoshop. But anyway, that's from a video. I'll link it up in the iCard. That I went. They were asking for a Tesla for a photo shoot for a company, and went out and did this. They like shut down the whole road right there. It was amazing. They're nice enough to give me a copy so that I can print this for personal use. I can't sell it. Sorry. Don't bother asking. But at least we have this now. We can hang up in the garage for some sweet Tesla swag. Okay, that's basically it for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. And definitely let us know down below what update you're on. Hopefully you'll skip 2018.16. I doubt they're going to be pushing that out much now that it had that bug.
It looks like they're really ramping 2018.18, so I'm thinking I'll probably go straight to that, or 20, whatever comes next. But if you find anything else in 2018.18, let us know. We haven't seen that much yet, and there's really nothing much else in the release notes.
No, I've been playing around with it, and I really haven't seen anything. Yeah, that's basically it. If you are looking for a Tesla, check out our website, teslainventory.com. If you're looking for a new or inventory Tesla Model S or X, feel free to use our referral code. It's down in the description below. Or at the top of our website, using it will actually get you free unlimited supercharging, which is currently the only way to do so. And as always, thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Go ahead and click here to subscribe, here for some other videos, and we'll see you guys later. Bye.